In this video, I'm going to explain how to upload the project files to the GitHub. Okay, here is a simple project which I have created using HTML and CSS. I'm going to upload this project on GitHub. To upload this project on GitHub, simply go to the GitHub profile, log into the GitHub profile, go to the dashboard. Here, go to the profile icon, click on this profile icon and go to your repositories. These are the repositories which you have created earlier. Now to create a new repository, click on new. Now give here a repository name. I am giving as 3D wavy circle because my project name is 3D wave circles. I am providing in description 3D animation. And here keep it public. And here initialize the repository with add a readme file. Click on this and that's it. Create repository. Okay. Now our repository has been creating. Okay, here our repository has been created. To add files into this repository, click on add files. Here upload files. Here are two ways to upload our files. We can simply drag and drop the files or choose from your files manually. Here I am clicking on choose your files. Okay. I am going to my folder which I have created my project files. Here I have created in web development projects, and here is 3D wave circles. I am clicking on this, and here I am clicking Ctrl A. Simply click on open. Okay, now our files have been uploaded. Now scroll down. Here we can see commit changes. Click on this commit changes. Processing your files. Now our files has been uploading. Okay, now our files has been uploaded. Okay, to see your link or to send this project link to your friends, simply go to the code and here you can see HTTPs. This is your GitHub link. Simply copy and send to your friends where they can access the code, source code. In our channel, we provide the tutorials on web development. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. If you like this video, share and subscribe to our channel.